It's often convenient to build different variants of your app. A free version and a paid version is the most obvious example, but you also want a debug version of your app for development purposes and a release version for when your app is ready for the Play Store. Instead of needing to constantly maintain separate code bases for every variant, we can simply write the code that is unique to each variant, and Gradle will take care of the rest.
A build variant is a cross-product of two components, a build type and a product flavor. The two are mechanically similar, but conceptually orthogonal. Build types are typically transparent to users and are only important to you as a developer, whereas product flavors control features that are visible to end users. Build types are used to control how our app is built and packaged. By default, every Android app has two build types, debug and release. As the name implies, debug build type is primarily used during development, and a release build type is for production. Also, by default, the debug build type is compiled with debug symbols and signed with a debug key, which allows us to install on a development device. You can also define additional build types, for example, for quality assurance testing. Product flavors are used to create variants that will be user-facing. Product flavors will typically map one-to-one with a Play Store download. A very common case is an app with free and paid versions. Together, build types and product flavors create a matrix of variants. With debug and release build types and free and paid flavors, you get a 2x2 matrix of variants. In this case, we have 4 variants: free release and free debug, and paid release and paid debug. Let's check out how to declare and configure build types and product flavors in our Gradle build.